Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into the video, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So in this video, guys, we'll be giving the best stocks to be looking at or buying, however the case may be, on next week, guys. And these are my personal stocks, the stocks that I'm eyeing, the stocks that's 50% off on discount. People go in the stores, they see, you go in the grocery store to your favorite shoe store, you see some shoes 50% off, you see some groceries, your favorite items 50% off, you grabbing it without a think about it. You ain't gonna think not one time, you getting it. No questions asked. But people think so differently about the stock market, though. You see some of your favorite companies, some of the best thriving companies over the years. You see some of them 40, 30, 50% off. You skeptical, you hectic, you nervous. You don't know if you should buy or not. You scared. But as soon as you see it 50% higher, it costs more, you interested. You want to buy it like hell. You want to buy it way more than you ever want to buy it. If it was 80% off, you'd rather buy it for 80% interest hike, basically. You get what I'm saying? So it don't make it make sense, guys. Just make it make sense. Same thing with AMC. Niggas are ready to buy it at 33, 34, but at 18, 50% off, they scared. Hey, make it make sense. Anyways, though, best stocks, guys, that I'm looking at going into next week. Because I know that perspective, putting it like that, it'll make you think totally different about the market. So anyways, the first banger we got on the list, you already know what it is. It's AMC, man. See, AMC wouldn't have been on the list. It's only on the list at certain times. If it was at 33, 34, I wouldn't have made a list because you'd have been chasing. Even though I expect to go higher once it get to that point, it would have been chasing. You guys don't like to hear it, but I got to keep it real with you. So AMC, we can look, 15 through the $14-15 range. That should be the low for it, guys. We know we was wrong about what we expect the low to be. I'm pretty sure a lot of people was, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people ain't expect it to come down to this level until we got down to this level. Once it got to 20, 21, yeah, they expected to come lower. Of course, who wouldn't have? Once we broke main levels. The next bang on the list, guys, would be Shopify. You guys know I had got in on Shopify at around $650, invested a lot of money. I took a loss on that. I told you guys I had a plan. If it broke below $620, I was going to sell it. I lost like $1,200, and I will be looking to re-enter that play, guys, because I get out, I save myself some money. See how I got out at $620 and now it's at $5.99. I saved myself $21 a share, and now I still got room to get back in. Once my next level I'm looking for is at $550 range. I start slowly nipping in now at the prices is because it possibly won't get back to 550. Might just trying to, break through that 600 support to scare people out just to run back up like crazy. But Shopify is going to be a sneaky one. I most definitely believe it's going to run up hard, guys. I'm talking $150, $200 a share quick. So anyways, you already know. The next one is ROKU. The next bang on the list will be ROKU, guys. The bottom for that is $100, I'm believing. It's at 114 right now, but from 100, 114 in between that price range, I feel like that's accumulation stage. I do believe ROKU will be a good one as well. Over 50% off. Shopify, 50% off. AMC, 50% off. Like I told you guys, all these bangers is 50% off, except for one of them that I'm going to mention at the end. The next bang on the list will be the one and only TSLA, guys. You already know, for the ones that been following the channel, know how I feel about TSLA. I do believe TSLA is going to be one of the biggest stocks in the stock market eventually, one day, guys. So that's just my take on it now. That's especially if, we could go legal on a federal level in the U.S. Right now, TSLA already took over Canada because it's on the federal level all the way legal over there. Once we get that aspect and that standpoint going on in the U.S., this thing will be out of here. That's just my take now. And that is what that thing almost 60-70% off from where it's supposed to be at, and really even higher than that. We know it done hit $300 back in 2018. It hit a high of 300 back in 2021. It hit a high of 60 bucks, and every time it hit its highs, it come all the way back down to $4, $5, $6 range. Perfect buying opportunity, in my opinion. So you already know, guys. And the last one, the one and the only, the big dog will be Tesla. And Tesla isn't 50% off right now, but I'm expecting it to be. Not all the way 50% off, but from its peak, from its high, it ran as high as what, $1,100 recently. And from its not its all-time high, but recently it ran up to around $1,100. And I expect it to go 40-50% off from that level, guys. I'm expecting to see Tesla at $700, $800, maybe even $650 again. And due to a lot of retail investors piled in on top of Tesla, meaning you got certain retail investors got 80, 90, even some 100% of their portfolio straight Tesla, which that's good. I believe in Tesla. Tesla can grow your account, you know, so you can see astronomical returns investing in Tesla, but it is very volatile and it's going to knock a lot of people off and scare a lot of people out that don't understand or see the end result, the end goal with Tesla. And there's so many retail investors piled in on it. And like I was just stating earlier, that in other videos, that the feds, the government, they don't want retail investors to be picking individual stocks and piling in like that. It's messing up what they have going on. They'd rather for you to buy ETFs, bonds, mutual funds, and things of that nature. And with all these retail investors piling in, best believe they will try and shake that Tesla tree very, very hard and get majority of them up out of there before that thing rips, guys. Because that's where a lot of retail investors are attracted to and going towards. And best believe they will try and get them up out of there. And that's why I believe that, you know, a big drop will come.